Hey folks, Mr. McStache in the McStache Garage. I want to do some housekeeping real quick. I normally at the end of all my videos put my Patreon members there, but you know what? That's wrong. I'll put them in the front this time. Check out our Patreon page. It's all to help local veterans. You can join in for as little as $1 a month, like these guys here. So we want to. That's just been an injustice putting them at the end. They've been my supporters and they've been with me for a long time. And I want to say thank you guys. That's real sharp.
Oh, you didn't know?
Why Eagle Lights? Because actually the cost was down on them. It's a run turn brake conversion. Instead of running the extra wires and the extra sockets to my turn signals in the back to make them 3 function lights, um, I bought the module that goes in. We're going to review that here in a second. We're going to install it in the bike and see how it works. Because like I said, the price is $69 normally. It was a Black Friday deal. I got another 10 or 15% off. So it come out to like $56 total shipping, whole 9 yards out the door. So pretty cheap way to get into it. See how it works. So stay tuned. We'll get those installed. We'll show you what's going on with those. Hey folks, Mr. McStache. Today we are going to be doing a well, we'll call it an unboxing because it's in a box. But we are going to do a quick first impression and review of Eagle Lights. Good packing there. You see, I thought there was instructions on. There are instructions. They come right on the package here. Eagle Lights, part number RBT-P as in Paul. It is the run brake turn signal module for Harley Davidson. No lenses. I'm not sure what that means, but satisfaction guaranteed. I looked, registered your warranty. Thanks for choosing Eagle Lights. We stand behind all of our products and want you to know it. Warranty lasts within 90 days, or please register your product online within 90 days of receipt. Register your warranty at eaglelights.com. Warranty, it doesn't say how long it is. When I went to the website said, it says in your receipt. My receipt does not say. I bought them because this is a limited, but the tour pack does come off. As you can see, it's hanging on the wall up there, which means I now have a brake light and 2 turn signals. That's not a lot of light. So I wanted to get a little bit more light back there. Just cause. So we're going to take this apart and see how it does. Remove seat from the motorcycle. Done. Locate rear wiring harness on your model and disconnect the plugs. Connect the module between those two. It's pretty freaking simple. I have a couple extra wires here because, like I said, it is a limited. It has the tour pack on the back. So we're going to set those out of the way. You know what? Hang on. Let me put you down here where you can see. All right. So if you have street glides, you don't need to worry about these here. This here and this here is also tour pack accessories there. So what I'm looking for is for the rear brake light system, which is this right here. See, it goes in here to my fender and back to my brake lights. So this is my rear brake light system. Yeah. So I'm assuming it's going to plug in right here. So let's open this package here from Eagle somehow. You know what? That Ziploc stuff. That never can get it apart. When you want it apart, never can put it. Okay, so it is here. Really? Seems to go in a little bit tight. Same thing. Yeah, there it goes. It did fit tight, but it did fit. So, and then this one goes in this side. They do have good connections. So there you go. That's where, and of course I got there. Anybody that's running any kind of plug-in fit. And then it says, connect the module between the two. Run the hazards on the motorcycle for 10 minutes. This will sync turn signals and the module. Seems like a long time to me, but you know what? We're on the battery tuner, so it doesn't matter. If turn signals hyperflash, after running the hazards, you need a load equalizer. I have all incandescent bulbs. Old school like that. I know I can replace them on the road at any gas station, so that's just the way I am. So we are going to back you back out here. So you can see the flames, everything pops back up. I'll back you back out here. Do I want to? No, we'll just turn the key on. And because this is the older model, it doesn't have the hazard switch, so you hold both turn signals, 1 Mississippi, 2 Miss, 3 Mississippi, and it puts on your hazards. All right. So we got our hazard going. We're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. I'll bring you back in about 10 minutes. All right, folks. So here we are back at the back of the bike. I run for 10 minutes and shut it off. You will be seeing this as I see it the first time. So let's turn the bike on. Looky there. We have lights on everything. So if we hit our brake lights, front, rear brake lights, they seem to be working. Left turn signal, right turn signal, hazards. Now wait. There's our hazards. What if we do the hazards and the brake lights? Turn the hazards off. Left. And hit the brake. Yeah. I'm going to say that's a success, folks. There you go. So there you go, folks. Eagle Lights, customer satisfaction guaranteed. I'm satisfied. Of course, this is just the initial install. As you can see, I don't even have the seat back on yet, but it is the initial install, and we are going to run around to see what we think. We will after a while make another. I don't like the way somebody's laying around in there. Make a update on this. But Eagle Lights are available on Amazon and through Eagle Lights themselves. I bought through Eagle Lights themselves. Amazon price is the same as buying them from Eagle themselves. They don't matter. I did it because I wanted to call and say, hey, this is what I want to do. Is this the piece I want? And verify all that. And they said, yes, it was. And it seems to be working the way it should, the way I expected it to. So far, we're at a thumbs up. I mean, you saw the installation. It was a 5-minute piece of cake job anybody could do. Matter of fact, I threatened having the wife to come out and do it because it is such a good deal or an easy deal to do. So there you go, folks, on my 2012 Limited. We got a little bit more vision in the back now. So there you go, folks. Like we like to say around here, from the McStache Garage, love on your family, check on a buddy, and when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.